if you're going to file a civil.
You're talking about the injured party.
Yeah, sure.
So
But you can also, if he's in jail because of something, you could now bring it up habeas corpus in his behalf. You see, you cannot sue in the name of another except in habeas corpus. Habeas corpus you can.
Well, speaking of habeas corpus, I understand that with the USA Patriot Act, that now is in limbo.
Well, that may be true of the civil law system, but the common law has not been suspended by the Patriot Act.
Okay.
Okay? Because you're outside the Constitution.
So have you ever challenged any of the U.S. Patriot Act
No.
activities?
No, it's too new. I haven't been involved. I haven't seen any cases on it.
Well, I saw that was on the front page of the paper here just last week, I believe it was, in the
Yeah.
last 10 days, that some judge finally said that this clause is unconstitutional.
Oh, great. Somebody challenged it, wasn't me.
Right. So, how about, you mentioned license plates, and if you have a license plate, of course,
Sure.
you don't own your car.
Yeah, you have a federal tax stamp, and the very meaning of the license means that the owner's granting permission to you to use his property.
So is that the way you operate, or do you?
Yeah, I have a car with license plate and so forth, just as a practical consideration. I'm involved in a lot of things, and I haven't taken the time to properly deal with that issue, so I took the easy way out. I went ahead and got it and so forth.
And how about your driver's license?
Same deal, but it's without prejudice. Both of them are without prejudice. If I ever get a ticket, I think I can deal with it.
All right.
If I choose to. I might choose to pay it because it's small potatoes compared to some real big issues I'm involved in with other people's cases.
Right. Well,
See.
speaking of UCC and
Yeah.
Operating outside of the driver's license, I have just written on here in manual, just cursive. I'm a traveler / sojourner, not a driver. And UCC 1-207, which of course you're familiar with. 2 days ago, I was stopped by a cop in a parking lot, a shopping center over by UFC.
Sure.
And he wanted to see my driver's license.
Sure.
I showed this to him, and I said, I've operated this way now for the last 12 years in 4 states. I've never gotten a ticket for this. I want to put him on notice. In fact, if he was going to challenge that and give me a ticket, he was, to be some repercussions from it. And they checked it out, they called in about it, and they let me go.
Well, apparently you're on the records as being somebody to leave alone.
Well, yes.
Which is good.
Right. And of course, I've gone to court before.
Yeah. So what's your question?
So my question is, have you dealt with people who have operated this way here? Have you ever helped them deal with this?
Not with these issues. I've stayed away from driver's license issues because I had bigger things.